NEMGuard DE has recently been authorised for use in sugar beet and is now the only option for managing docking disorder caused by free-living nematodes. The maximum individual dose is 20 kg per hectare, but BBRO initially recommends using 10 kg per hectare for control of docking disorder in 2022. This may increase as further trials are undertaken regarding optimal rate for best results. Most growers or contractors will be using a drill and applicator like this Kverneland monopile drill and Horstein microband applicator, which has a mechanical land wheel drive system. Whatever machine you're using, the most important things to do before starting are selecting the correct applicator cassettes and rotors and calibrating it. Always wear the correct PPE when carrying out applicator maintenance. Calibration starts by calculating how many revolutions the land wheel will turn over 100 metres. This is done by dividing 100 metres by the land wheel circumference, giving you revolutions per 100 metres. For this machine, it's 50. Once the cassettes and rotors have been serviced and fitted, fill the hoppers with product and place a suitable receptacle like a jug or bag under each outlet. Turn the land wheel 50 turns. Collect the product dispensed and weigh individually. Repeat this process 3 times and work out the average. If the measured rate doesn't match the required rate or outlets are not within 5% of the average, check for blockages or worn components. At this stage, record the rotor size, the driver and the driven pulley or sprocket sizes and the output rates. Applicators are likely to be set at the old Vidate 10G rate of 30 to 45 grams per 100 metre row, so will need to be recalibrated to the new NEMGuard DE rate of 10 kilograms per hectare, which equates to 50 grams per 100 metre row. This means the pulley or sprocket combination needs to be changed. The new ratio for NEMGuard DE is calculated by the following formula: dose required divided by dose obtained multiplied by the old ratio. From the lowest Vidate rate to the new NEMGuard DE rate, this machine needs a 16-tooth sprocket driving a 22, but others will differ. You can then check on the applicator's ratio table for the right pulley or sprocket combination for the desired output. Repeat the process to check it's correct. As part of the Red Tractor protocol for sugar beet, nematicide applicators should be NSTS tested every year by a qualified technician like myself. This will include calibration as just described, plus a full service to ensure that any applicator previously used for Vidate will accurately apply NEMGuard DE. Once NSTS tested and recalibrated, there are several day-to-day operator checks that need to be done to maintain accuracy. Firstly, visually inspect the condition of the hopper, the lid and the bung. Hopper should be clean and dry before filling with product, and you must check hoses for splits or kinks that might interfere with product flow. Outlets must be clear and in the correct position. Check they haven't been knocked out of place or the openings obstructed. With hydraulic or electronic metered applicators, double check that the correct calibration figure is stored in the control unit. One thing to bear in mind when using NEMGuard DE is that it's very hygroscopic, which means it absorbs moisture readily. This is because it needs moisture to release its active substance into the soil to protect the plant's roots. Do not overfill hoppers and seal part-used bags, and you must clean out the hoppers at the end of the day to avoid clogging of applicator components. You must never leave NEMGuard DE in the machine overnight. For more guidance or to arrange your service, calibration and NSTS test in time for this year's drilling, contact me, Richard Lapage from RWL Services.